Eid in Pakistan is never complete without a busy fair. You will find tasty food, smiling faces and colorful stalls. In this video, I will show you what an Eid Mela looks like in my village. Let's walk together and enjoy the food, fun and culture. These are Qulchay. They look like donuts, fried and golden. They are soft inside, sweet and a big favorite with everyone. Chapli Kababs, flat, spicy meat patties. They smell amazing and taste even better. Next to that, fresh pomegranate juice. It's sweet, a bit sour and very refreshing. There's also peanut brittle, hard, sweet and crunchy. Dry fruits mixed with sugar. It's a simple but tasty snack, sweet and full of energy. These are almonds in their shells. You crack them open yourself and enjoy the nut inside. Chickpeas, a healthy crunchy snack. You can eat them just like this, plain and fresh. Chicken tikka, pieces of chicken cooked with strong spices, grilled over fire, juicy and full of flavor. Here are small pieces of sugarcane. We call them gandire in Pashtun. You chew them to get the sweet juice out. Whole dry fruits like walnuts, almonds, coconut and plums. Simple, natural and really good for you. Here we have dried and chopped fruits like coconut, raisins, peanuts and walnuts. Easy to eat and perfect for snacking. More almonds in shells and dried plums. A mix of crunchy and chewy and full of taste. These are red kidney beans, cooked soft and full of flavor. Great with rice or naan bread. Tripe, lere we call them in Pashtun, cooked with spices. Not everyone eats it, but some people's favorite. Again, fresh almonds in shells, crunchy and healthy. Roasted chickpeas, a classic street snack. Crunchy, salty and very satisfying. Here we have dried coconut slices, a bit chewy and naturally sweet. Another colorful tray of whole dry fruit, walnuts, almonds, plums and more. Tasty and full of goodness. Cooked liver, spicy, soft and full of flavor. Usually eaten with roti or naan. Plain walnuts, out of their shells. Crunchy and great for your brain. Here's thick village yogurt. Next to lassi, a cool yogurt drink. And soft corn flour roti. Simple village food, fresh and healthy. Another plate of tripe. This one is cooked in even stronger spices. It's soft, spicy and full of flavor. Dry fruit mix. Peanuts, raisins, coconut and more. Kheer, a sweet rice pudding. Creamy, milky and served cold. Crisps, hot, crispy and salty. Some are even wrapped up and sold like rolls. Of dry fruit. Fresh pomegranate juice, red, sweet and chilled. A perfect drink to cool down. More kidney beans, soft, spicy and very filling. And yes, more tripe, this one cooked gently, full of flavor. Now we have rohabza, a pink sweet drink. Something unique, Handmade ice cream served with noodles. Cold and chewy, an old school village dessert. Brown rice cooked with meat and raisins. Sweet and salty together. A full meal in one plate. Sweet yellow rice with dried dates. Back to Chapli Kababs. Watch the naan being made. Stuck to the wall of the tandoor oven. It comes out hot, soft and ready to eat. Oranges pressed by hand turn into juice. Fresh, tasty and full of vitamin C. Rice kheer, soft and sweet. Sprinkle with dried coconut on top. More spicy chicken tikka, smoky and juicy. A big hit with everyone. And yes, more fresh orange juice. Cold, sweet and perfect for a hot day. Liver being fried on a flat pan. Spicy, rich and full of flavor. Long grain rice, soft and fluffy. We call them ghati vriji in Pashtun. Is sugarcane juice, pressed right there in front of you. Sweet, green and very refreshing. Hot fries and crispy pikore. Spiced just right and perfect to munch. Back to this sweet mix. Handmade ice cream served with noodles. Strange to some, but loved by many. Cool lassi and thick yogurt again. Served with soft corn flour roti. Simple and very satisfying. This version of Ruh Afza is mixed with milk and crushed ice. Sweet, creamy and super refreshing. Fresh coconut, whole and sliced. Last but not least, a mix of chickpeas and kidney beans. Served with long grain rice. Simple, filling and full of flavor.
زمونږ د کلي مېلمانه راغلي دا خواږه مېلمانه دي زمونږ دلته مېلمستیا وکړه وروره که چا د کپړې پکار دي مناسب دوکان د دوی بازار ته دلته کیلوري ملاوېږي په ټول بازار نمبر 1 ډېوه دي وروره شی به صحیح ورکوم په 1 نمبر ښه
Shaba mama raga Khalid sabolo kilo wale pesta shindu paigila da Khalid Ahmad kila che chiniya che peya che da sure jode da sure tayari da shindu pai bani gila dar gaya da ko bo yakta da judo ala da ko da ka da palawa
ای ګوډي تر وړه ای موبایل ویل نه کیږي ته دې موږ څه لاس ته ده کنه ای باندې ګوډي د غاښ ته کیږي کیچه باندې ده چې تاسو 15,000 روپیه وي 40,000 روپیه اگر کې چې سبق شي فیسبوک کې چې روشي ویني نه زبوت ته وشي نوغه ټیچر ده ها هپی کټک نو کول نه ها هپی کټک نو ده هپی نه سات کټک